Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice where you see this button and this key portion right here, there's actually a spot right here in the middle, and we have to use a screwdriver just like this. Here I'm trying to zoom in to show you guys. This is that spot right there. What we'll do is we'll punch in the screwdriver just like that, and then while holding the screwdriver like that, we will tilt it upside. There it is. That is how the cover is taken out. We will keep the cover aside, and right there is our battery. Once again, we will use the similar screwdriver. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that corner and then pull out the battery. And there it is. That is how the battery is taken out. And notice it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign you see right there, it should actually stay at the top. Now to punch in the battery in that spot right there, first make sure it is slided in that position, just right here. Once the battery is slided in, then we will just press it downwards. There it is. There are two tabs at the top, so we have to make sure it goes completely in those two tabs. Once the battery is completely in position, now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. We'll punch in the cover on top and making sure it's aligned properly. Now we'll press the cover down until it goes completely in. One side is completely in, and it seems like it's also in from the other side as well. Now we'll press and hold this button right there and then press the key downwards. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.